really feel that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen to showcase the people of Gaza and the level of their iman, to show us where they are and where we are. We're also seeing, subhanAllah, a multitude of people wanting for the first time to read the Quran or find out about Al-Islam.
I've been reading the Quran, and I have a lot to say, especially because I grew up as an evangelical Christian.
Now, did I expect for me to read the Quran and it resonate with the core beliefs and values I already have?
I didn't know any of this stuff. The propaganda runs deep, but I don't think I've ever understood anything as much as I've understood the Quran.
I'm no longer a Christian reading Quran. I am now a Muslim reading Quran. Alhamdulillah, I am Muslim today.
So I'm taking my Shahada today.